This digital art, right-click and save as Guy, is an NFT image, auctioned on the decentralized marketplace for 1,600 Ethereum worth $7.9 million, on December the 10th, to Kamozo de Medici. Another art, the Human One, is a dynamic life generative sculpture created by Beeple, auctioned for $29.98 million on December the 9th, 2021. NFTs have sometimes sold online for astronomical sums, with major companies now joining the craze as the tokens find their way into everything from the art market to video games. But what exactly are these digital assets, and how are they traded? What is an NFT? NFT stands for non-fungible token. Something that is fungible can be exchanged with an equivalent item, for example, a $5 bill with another $5 bill. Cryptocurrencies, which use a digital public record of transactions, called a blockchain, are fungible. NFTs are digital items that can be bought and sold using this blockchain technology. But they are not fungible, making them a different type of asset. Some are sold for millions, including an NFT by digital artist Beeple, which went under the hammer at Christie's in March, for an eye-watering $69.3 million. Some of the most coveted NFTs are released via collections of thousands of unique individual cartoons, such as the Bored Ape Yacht Club. They are seen as intrinsically cool by their owners, who enjoy boasting of their purchases by displaying them as their social media avatars. The tokens aren't necessarily images, though. On several websites, such as Decentraland and The Sandbox, you can buy virtual land in NFT form. Critics say investors are spending money on meaningless items, but supporters insist that NFTs are much more than digital trinkets. Some predict that using the blockchain to record the ownership history of an item will eventually become much more widespread, revolutionizing how we think about property. Now let's look at how NFTs are traded. Like cryptocurrencies, NFTs are bought and sold on specialized platforms. OpenSea is the best-known NFT marketplace. A sale does not necessarily involve the transfer of the object depicted by the token. NFTs of famous paintings have been sold, for example, but the buyer does not receive the painting. What changes hands is a certificate of ownership of the NFT, registered on the blockchain. The certificate must be kept safe in a digital wallet, which can take various forms. The wallet might be accessed via MetaMask, a free internet browser extension, or a secure physical device. It might also take the simple form of a code, printed on a piece of paper. To purchase an NFT, the wallet must contain enough of the relevant cryptocurrency. For example, Ethereum, if the person is buying a token on the Ethereum blockchain. With a little technical know-how, it is also possible to make or mint your own NFT. Ultimately, NFTs are digital contracts with certain rules embedded, such as the number of copies available for sale. But there's an extra hidden cost with NFTs, the environmental impact of using the blockchain to transfer assets. Cryptocurrency's energy consumption and its impact on the environment has become a hot topic lately. The increase in NFTs is only adding fuel to the flames. The environmental challenge for NFTs is one the entire crypto industry suffers from. As previously mentioned, the majority of NFTs use the Ethereum blockchain, which uses a proof-of-work system to confirm each new block. That means all the computers on the network, that is, miners, race to solve a complex problem. The first computer on the network to solve it receives the right to confirm the block and collects the gas fees associated with each transaction in the block, as well as a reward. As the price of Ether climbs and gas fees increase, the value of solving that problem in the proof-of-work system also increases. As a result, miners are incentivized to invest in more computer power, which draws an increasing amount of energy from the power grid. If that energy comes from sources that emit greenhouse gases or are otherwise harmful to the environment without anything to offset it, it will negatively affect the environment. But determining how NFTs specifically affect the environment is tough to figure out. NFTs represent a small portion of transactions on the Ethereum blockchain. It's unclear whether they've meaningfully moved the needle in terms of the amount of computer power that miners are adding to the network to solve those complex problems. If NFTs have piqued your interest, but you're worried about the environmental impact of buying and selling on the blockchain, you may want to do some additional research before you invest. Smash that like button, share this video with your friends and family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell icon to never miss any update from Kuikkey.